Okay, so we are looking at the frontal view of the skull. Some of this will be a repeat from the lateral view, but I want you to be able to see it from both perspectives. So once again, the goal here is to know how to label it, spell it correctly, and know how to pronounce it. So we are going to go through, starting at the bottom right, one by one to get this label. The bottom right is going to be mandible. One above that, maxilla. Next one is going to be inferior nasal concha. Okay, the green one kind of in the middle behind the maxilla at the top is going to be the lacrimal. The one posterior to it or behind it is going to be ethmoid. The orange one above that on the side is going to be parietal. Then frontal. Okay, right in the middle is going to be the two nasal bones. Purple on the side is going to be temporal. The yellow one in the middle, what I'm showing here is that this bone goes all the way through the head and is one bone. It's called the sphenoid. The one that we would call the cheekbones is going to be the zygomatic bone. And then the last one that kind of runs right down the middle of the nasal cavity is going to be called the vomer. One that was not mentioned on this picture, but I want to mention it now. Okay, I'm going to put in parentheses are the two palatine bones. Okay, so keep in mind those are in the roof of the mouth, posterior or behind the maxilla. So as we study on the anatomosh table, that is a little bit easier to see, but do remember that that is part of the 22 bones that make up the skull.